Good morning, futures traders. This is David on Tuesday, July 7th, 2022. Just getting going here at 9:31. Let's see, I got fired one off right here.
Order canceled.
Here we go. I hit this just a little while ago.
Order canceled.
On oil, and I got this a little earlier too. ES is just not liking how it's developing. I'll turn it on. Of course, it follows the NQ. I've already made close to 7,000. I'm going to hit 10. Oil's just being the software is more than capable of getting it, but it's just crazy. It's just moving like a whipshaw back and forth. So let's see what happens next. I believe I caught that long. Yep, I caught that long there. Then I think it didn't. Okay, yeah, that was it. Okay. Turn that off. Okay, let's see what it does. Yeah, it's bought back in a roundabout way of everything it sold off here. Just look at that sell off. From here all the way down, it chopped down. Got to the bottom here. Seesawed over and over and up and up and up. Now it's working its way back up halfway. So let's see if the bot can catch another one. Yeah, ES is following suit too. Okay, come on. Where did I catch that oil at? Back away. Yep, 9:30. 9:30. 9:28. Nice short. And then 8 o'clock. I get that. No, I didn't. Yeah, the short it caught. Okay. I got the volatility shield on. It's kind of being pickier. But you get it, but it doesn't fire off a lot of trades. the more sure ones. And I'd rather have that than going behind the 8 ball, going down. Oh, come on. Maybe we'll get something on the ES. Maybe I should let oil open up and see what it can do. Don't do it there. It's a waiting game. Wow, oil's really liquid today. It's moving. It's gonna go down to here. Out right to here. If it gets past here, it's going down to here to 20. Here she comes. It loves this 20. It's going to touch it and then turn. It came to 25. I'd say 22. It's going to turn. Well, go fast, fire. So the next spot is right down here, 01. Oh, you know you want to come down here. Unless it found support right here. At 14. 12. Yeah, here it comes. Yeah, it's coming down to the zero, the even number, 97. Look at that, right down there.
Order filled.
Well, we got something here finally. Make a couple thousand maybe.
Order canceled.
Here we go. Let's run. Do some running finally. I should have hit oil on my own. Must not have been.
Order filled.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's kind of a different video. I didn't get it started when I should have, but you get the point. I hit this one for 244. Total net was 5,275. It was 87, roughly 75%, 160 grand. Oil was a little choppier. Yeah, that was 76% because it was moving back and forth. 271. So 88. 84 minus 288. 100? Is that right? Wait a minute here. 4384. Okay, well, it's still 271 from this is 4,000. 130,000 for the day. So I wound up having to pay $271 commissions, and so roughly 400, almost $500, you may as well say, in commissions, but you made 5,000 and 4,000. So on kind of a choppy up and down day, because the VIX, yeah, see, it's only up how many points? Not very many points. Yeah, and the VIX is down, so it should be a green day. Yeah. Well, 9:43. That was the time. All right. Thank you for watching. I will keep making videos.